that's not good. So my clutch cable has failed. My clutch cable that's only 4 years old has failed. So we're going to change it. Clutch cable is usually a pretty simple thing, albeit a pain in the ass. This end goes into the fork right over here. You can, there it is. This end goes through the firewall and hooks onto the clutch pedal. Cable routes up and along and down here, firewall. Clutch pedal, if you go up here, then up in there, the other end hooks in. Alright, so I'm going to start with disconnecting this end. So this is the adjuster to tighten or loosen the cable, so I'm going to loosen it way up. And what's happening right now is the cable is stretching, so a couple of pumps of the clutch pedal, this thing loosens up and you have to tighten it more, and I'm about out of space. So I'm just going to, once you get it loose, it's easier to spin. I'm going to spin this up and then remove this from the fork down in there, and that'll have this end loose. Shove down, which should release tension here. So this just unhooks. There, now that's off the clutch fork. This rubber piece should then pop out of here. There we go. Needed both my hands. So now we'll push this up until we get to the cable, and that slides out of this bracket. Okay. Pop that out of there. Pop that up there. Now, this, don't mind this mess of crap that needs to be taken care of. This should slide in and out of here from the firewall. I just need to disconnect the pedal end.
No, please no. I don't like it. No.
Okay, I don't know how well you guys can see it. This is going to be a very tight angle for you to see anything, but there's, at the top of the bracket for the clutch pedal, it just hooks right in there. So it's probably more a feeling than seeing. There, if you can see that, it just pulls forward and up, and there's a little end right there. And that should have us disconnected. There's a little tube, put it through. I should be able to just pull it out. Oh, yep, there it goes. So there is my bad clutch cable. See, this end was O-ringed. This new one, yeah, it's just a little bit different. Huh. Well, let's see if this does it. Shove this guy through and hope it all fits. Look at all the crap going through there. Let's see, this vacuum hose was me, which I should get rid of. All these other wires are from a previous owner. Look at all the crud. Now you do, if you look closely. See that little circle in behind the firewall? You have to run the cable through that. There we go. Well, this grommet thing isn't anywhere close to where it needs to be. And now I'm stuck. There we go. I hope this is the right cable. Because that's
What are you doing?
not right.
What?
It's not right.
Stop it!
Why is this all the way up here?
Why is it too big? Why is it not angled? That looks too large to go through that hole.
Well, I was worried about this, but then I broke it, so oh well. Alright. So now we need to line this guy back up again, right in there. And look at all these freaking wires. These things can just get pulled out. Get this crap out of the way. I thought I had it in there before. This thing doesn't seem to want to snap into place. That's not cool.
That's much bigger. That's bigger in diameter.
I think it is bigger.
Well, maybe a blood orange thing also. Maybe it fits multi-models
It might fit my
by way of the orange thing. Yeah, let's get it against the positive cable and see what happens. I got it. I moved it.
Zap the whole car. I think this, well, this end is different too, though.
Yeah, is it?
A little bit. It's bigger.
Wow.
See how?
Well, the diameter doesn't look bad, and the width, I don't know what it clips on.
I think that should be okay. It just hooks on.
Yeah. I might want to pull that. Maybe. Here's what you're dealing with.
You think this orange thing needs to come off?
Yeah, see this? Whoops. Other end. This is the diameter you need to be concerned about. So that looks pretty.
Oh yeah, you're right. So I think this is.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then it's not O-ring. This is supposed to be the seal.
To do what? What's it seal against what?
I don't know. I guess it doesn't really need a seal.
It just holds it in place from slopping around.
All right, that orange thing was too thick,
See it, Pat?
but we still want kind of a something or other to quiet this down. So we'll slide that on. Okay. Now, let's see if we slide it in. No room to operate. So this right
Yeah, you hold that.
here,
That bad boy.
stopping me.
Let's see how close we are.
Whole thing's thicker, huh?
Well, let's measure this guy. $50, $70, $80. How much smaller are we here? We're 20 thousandths difference. But
I think
that
this
being
lip
said,
right here is
it's
the
worth
only
a
thing
try,
that's
'cause
really
the
holding.
O-rings keep you snug.
Yeah.
So
I think that's
worth a
plastic
try.
too.
Worst case scenario is it's the wrong
We'll
case.
just grind it down a little thinner.
Yeah. After the trim.
Good cheap crap. Trim the
It is.
plastic down and
Thank you, China.
yeah.
I mean, if
Now let's go see if it fits. What a pain.
it's some guidance.
Alright, now we're seated. We're hooked in. We're gonna come down to the positive battery cable. This is plastic. This end is plastic too. This thing's freaking cheap as hell. So,
Look like metal on the internet.
looked like metal on the internet. Yep.
So it's silver.
Slide that in there. And this, hold on. This has to
wait, let's get.
orient here.
We need to get behind this guy. We need to be behind. Can we squeeze or is it pull the plug wire?
We'll pull the plug wire. That's gonna.
Or you can do that.
Oh, yeah, that works, doesn't it?
Put it back or wherever.
Okay, now this. So now we're gonna orient this rubber thing so it goes down into the bracket, which is being a pain. Okay, so now that hooks into there. This is finally sitting down. Now we just need to tighten it up until we have some tension and test the clutch. There, try it now.
Tell me when it moves.
Slightly, yep. Yep. Yep.
See what it feels like. And the hell of it is, as you, the first week or so, you might
You'll have to tighten it as you go.
You may readjust it so everything seats in.
Yeah.
See what it feels like to you?
It feels. The clutch pedal feels fine. It feels a little softer than what it used to. Let's
Maybe the cable worked very hard. Soft better isn't better isn't. Try reverse.
Nope.
Keep it smooth.
If the cable was the problem in the first place.
Yeah, well, it could very well have been. What is this? Like just some old adjuster. What the hell? Does it have something to keep it in place here?
Just that little
You have to
rubber nub.
What a pain in the ass.
Yeah, it's stupid.
It's really stupid. Of course, it keeps it from doing things you don't want it to do.
Yeah, I'm starting to think it doesn't need a cable.
It's a clutch. Something to do. Pressure plate through.
Yeah, I got. Jeez. Yeah, lovely. So, probably just spent $30 on a cable, employee price, that I didn't need. Think it's a clutch problem. Oh, lovely.